So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Guys, see this hair, see how soft this hair is looking, guys. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this aim or what I use on my daughter's hair. Yes, so guys, if you are watching me and you are a mom, I would advise you to use this. This is safe to use. So what you need is cloves. You can use as much as you want. Cloves has a lot of health benefits. So we adults too, we can also use it. So if you are suffering from hair loss, or also you are suffering from dandruff, and also you want to improve the texture of your hair, this is also very good for you. Yes, so as you can see, so you pour as much as you want into a bowl and then you add water. So with the water, this water you see me adding is warm water. So you can add hot water. So after, this is how it's looking. So I'm going to stir and then allow this sit overnight. We are going to leave this overnight. Very important, leave this overnight. So that by morning, guys, you'll see the difference. So leave it, cover it and leave it. This is how it's looking, guys. See, so I'm going to leave it overnight and then in the morning, guys, you will see how it's looking. So I will advise you leave it overnight. If you want to see it, if you want to see the magic of it. So as you can see the difference. See how it's looking now. This is the next day. See how beautiful it's looking. See this color. So after, get yourself a bottle that you can spray. A spray bottle. As you can see, this is what I'm going to be using. I got this from Amazon. So guys, after, you are going to pour everything into, strain everything into, or you're going to pour it into your bottle. So as you can see, you see how beautiful this is looking. So once you are done, then you're good to go. So with me, I'm going to place some of the cloves inside this bottle. Because as you can see me, but if you don't want it, you can omit this part. This part is optional. But me, I love it, so I'm going to place some into the bottle. And then before I cover it. And then after, you're good to go. So this is how you're going to use it. If you're using it for either your hair or your children or your kids' hair, make sure you wash the hair very well. Wash it very well. So once you are done washing, you're going to use it to spray the hair before you start combing. So guys, please don't comb before you use this, because if the hair is very tough, that child is going to cry. So make sure you use it and then use your hand to massage it into the hair very well before you start combing. This is how it's looking. See how beautiful this is looking. Why would you go out and buy products that would damage either your kids or your own hair? Use this product, guys. This is cloves, nothing else. We use cloves, just cloves and some water. See, this is cloves. That's what I used. So if you're watching this video, please help me share this video so that a lot of people or a lot of parents will also see this video, because a lot of parents need this. Thank you for watching.